Alright, Master Designers, what's up? Tonight we're going to draw Beedrill from the original Pokemon series. Beedrill. This Pokemon, Beedrill, is from the Kanto region. He's a bug and poison type. It has 3 poisonous stingers on its forelegs and tail. They are used to jab its enemy repeatedly. Beedrill's signature move is Twin Needle. I consider this Pokemon to be one of my top 10 favorites. Why? Because this Pokemon can Mega Evolve. And by top 10 favorites, I'm talking about my top 10 Pokemon that can Mega Evolve. I love this guy. Drawing Beedrill is easy. Sure, I start with the upper half, then the eyes. Now we draw the needles here. Now we draw the thorns. I consider this Pokemon to be one of Beedrill's allies, to be partnered with a Digimon named... Sorry about that, folks. Beedrill's venom must be getting to me. I got stung by Beedrill the other day, and to be honest, I lost consciousness twice after I got to the hospital. Anyways, what I meant to say was, I've been expecting that Beedrill will be Stingmon's partner. This guy is literally one of my favorites. Now we draw this. Here's his wing. Now here's Beedrill's other wing. going down here. And done. That's how you draw beedrill. I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. And I promise I'll be getting to your comments as soon as possible. Till then, you have to be patient.